Good morning. Now, today just I have time and the reason. So now I cannot make myself idle. So always I want to make myself busy at learning something else or to convey something else for the benefit of our next generation, the students or as well as the followers. So now myself I am going to discuss about why grammar is important, why it is important much to be studied and to have knowledge, clear knowledge. In this regard, just I simply ask you, I simply say you about why it is important. Grammar is important because it is the language that makes it possible for us to talk about a language. Perhaps this is, and people, we are being associated, and we are associated, and people associate grammar with errors and correctness. But knowing about grammar also helps us to understand what makes sentences and paragraphs clear and interesting and precise. And so, what we need to have the basic grammar, it is important. But focusing on grammar will prevent we all from being able to speak English fluently in a reasonable time frame. Grammar is important. It is. Grammar is most effective to improve communicative skills, writing skills, but this only pertains to those who have a solid foundation in English. And you must have the fluency. Grammar is important because it provides information that helps the reader's comprehension. It is the structure that conveys precise meaning from the writer, what else just we are reading or what is written to the followers, or to eliminate grammatical errors from your writing, and that will what is called reward you or just that will provide you the clear communication. That will convey the clear communication. A correct grammar is the key of speaking English fluently and confidently. Knowing grammar will help you avoid errors that make your English sound strange to the followers. But there are certain situations, and what that does situate, in which grammar is especially important. Grammar is even important for your social life and educational life also. So grammar, you can have an idea little about today, and just I would not like to improve it or just to elaborate it much. Reading may be the number, or just it can be considered to improve your grammatical skill. Just simply you find the books, the manuals, it is useful to have through reference book that is available with you, and you can consult when you are writing with that books. So, so what is exactly that is practice just following the manual or the grammar book, then listen to others is much important. And proofreading, but loudly, then your writing will be developed. Or exercise of the definition of grammatical concept is exactly that has to do with sentences, punctuation, or other correct ways to write or to speak English language. An example of something grammatical is a class on English creative writing. That is important. So linguistically and conclusively, I can say grammar is the set of structural rules which influences the composition of clauses, phrases, and words in any given language. It is the systematic study and description of a language, and it helps us to understand or understanding how words and their components, the words are combined or is fabricated. And in at the end, I shall the benefit of the grammar that does improve your English fluency. What are the benefits of grammar? And I think you are very much aware and you have understood right by this time. That means you know how to put words, how to assemble words together in a sensible order. And at make or at the endings or right endings, so your writing would have a what is called the conclusive part, and you can end it with your right knowledge. Grammar improves your listening and speaking skills, and to know grammar helps us to easier in communicating, and grammar improves your reading and writing skills too. So today I would simply say this, pay attention to this, and I think it will help you a lot. And I am continuing over here. Others, I don't know how long can I be, but I can assure you I must continue uploading this video. And if you need to ask any questions in regard to that, how can it will be helpful for you? Just suggest me. No more. Good morning.